Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am going to be showing you how to permanently delete your Google account, your whole Google account. I will give you a disclaimer before going ahead. Remember, all your Google services attached to your Google account will be removed in its entirety. Your Google Play Store, your Google Photos, Google Music, YouTube channel, Gmail accounts, anything that has anything remotely dealing with Google will be removed and deleted forever, permanently. So guys, in order to start, we'll go to myaccount.google.com, login to the same Google account which you want to delete. To check that, hover your mouse to the top right hand side. See, my Google account name is Helmet Mouse and I want to completely delete it. I'll go to data and personalization. Then my friends, I'll scroll down my mouse and go to delete a service or your account. Click it. Here is an option, delete your Google account. You can permanently delete your Google account and all your services and data such as emails and photos. I'll click this, delete your Google account. They are asking for the password. I'll give the password and sign in. And now please read this carefully. It's not the usual blah blah. You are trying to delete your Google account which provides access to various Google services. You no longer be able to use any of those services and your account and data will be lost. They have given you a download your data before deleting your account. You have any pending financial transactions and will still be responsible for those charges. Yes, I acknowledge I am responsible for charges incurred due to any pending financial transactions, and I understand that under certain circumstances my earnings won't be paid out. Yes, I want to completely delete this Google account and all its data. Remember guys, I meant all the Google services, even your Adsense account. Maybe you have a couple of $1,000 hanging around on the table over there. Those will be lost as well. Remember this, my friends. So be very careful, make up your mind before deleting it permanently. Now I have check marked both of these. Once again, I'll confirm it's a Helmet Mouse account, so I don't have to worry about it. Check mark both of these and then click delete account. Your Google account and all its data has been deleted. If you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. Go to account support, follow the steps to verify that the account is yours. So guys, if you have issues like you want to account recovery issues, you can go to this account recovery link, but I don't want to do that, and I showed you guys exactly how to delete your Google account permanently. Thanks for watching, my friends. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.